Okay, do you have a JK that the shift cable keeps slipping in and out of position because it's got that crazy little plastic zip, not even a zip tie, it's just a little plastic retainer clip. Okay, you're gonna take a drill. Let's see. Doing this, I'm not taking anything off. I've got a hole drilled there. Let's see. My hands are not being friendly with the camera. So, drilled a hole there. I've already drilled a hole right here. I've got that hole drilled. I've got a hole drilled on this side. And I did both without moving anything. Just so you can see it, I did it. Now, let's take the drill back out. Oh. They come out easier than they go in. So now that I've got drilled on both sides, that slips up there like that. I've lost my little plastic retainer clip. I think there's a few options if you've got money and you don't mind spending a couple $100. But I've got other things to spend $100 on. Oops, sorry. Can I find the other hole? Oh, I can feel it. There it is. There it is. There it is. Okay. Now, let's see if I can get that back in place. Huh. Now, that is a solid core wire. It's not stranded. I don't know if you can see. It is a solid core wire. Will it focus? Well, you'll just have to trust me. So it'll keep its shape. It's not going to wiggle loose. It's not going to wiggle out. It's there until I want to take it out. And I can cut it if I want to be quick, or if I if I'm out on the trail, I don't know why I would need to mess with it out on a trail. So there you go.